Hello everyone, this is Box the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Have a look at me. I'm wearing a black top. The top is very simple. It's straight, there are no waist tucks in it. You can easily make such tops of silk or satin. Mine is made of cotton with silk. The only disadvantage of my top is that I can put it on only on top of another top. My top is translucent. You can make it of stronger fabrics. You can make such tops on the basis of a basic pattern or even without a pattern. The design is very simple. The top is just slightly wider at the bottom. Not too much though, it's almost straight. The back is a bit longer than the front. I love such designs. Today I want to show you how to create outfits. I have different pairs of shoes, I have different skirts and necklaces. I will show you how a simple black top can be combined with different outfits. The outfits can be both casual and suitable for some special occasions. Have a look at me. This is the first outfit. Black and white skirt, white shoes, black and white necklace. I had to bring several pairs of shoes today. I also brought some of my skirts. I didn't even remember about some of them. You can make such tops with tiny sleeves or drop shoulders. I prefer sleeveless tops. Anyway, I showed you how to make tops with drop shoulders. If you ask me what to sew if you need a garment which can help you create different outfits, a black top will be the first one on the list. Have a look at this outfit once again. I'm going to change it. I think that first I'll change just the shoes and the necklace. I love this pair of shoes. They match the skirt perfectly. The black and white necklace is also very beautiful. I'm not even talking about the bags. I have so many of them that I wouldn't be able to bring them all at once. Have a look at me. The top and the skirt are the same. I changed the necklace. This one is made of Murano glass. I also changed the white shoes for the black ones. Notice that the white shoes made this outfit look more light. The black shoes make it look more classy. It doesn't look like a simple summer outfit anymore. The top also looks absolutely different now. Notice how much the accessories affect the result. I was actually surprised when I realized how many different outfits can be made with this top. I think that it made my life much better. Once again, the top and the skirt are the same, the shoes and the necklace are different. This outfit is also worth looking at. I'm not going to change the top. I will show you a couple of more outfits with it. I want to show you not only casual outfits, but also the ones suitable for some special occasions. Have a look at the next outfit. Notice that I took the necklace off. I put the ring on. I have a matching necklace for it, but I think that it would be too much. The ring is very simple, but at the same time interesting. I put the red shoes on. I also put on the red skirt. I didn't wear it often because I didn't have anything to put on together with it. I don't even remember when it was made. A very long time ago, I guess. About 5 or 6 years ago. I didn't even think about wearing this skirt before making this top. What do you think of this outfit? I recommend everyone making skirts of the high-quality cotton fabrics. You will be able to wear them for a very long time. I remind you that cotton skirts look good when they are top-stitched. There is a lot of top stitching in this skirt. Even though it's not new, it still looks really good. I changed the ring, the skirt and the shoes. The top is the same, but the outfit is absolutely different. I'm so happy that this top enables me wearing so many different skirts and shoes. I want to make a couple of more tops of this design. Have a look at the outfit once again. These three outfits were pretty light. I showed you the two skirts. I'm going to show you two more. Such tops are not only convenient, but also stylish. They are always in trend. You can wear such tops with jackets. I'm talking about simple, single-color tops. You have to have them in your wardrobes. Next, I'm going to change the skirt to show you one more outfit. You already saw the three outfits with this top. What do you think of them? You saw me in the red skirt, red shoes and red ring. I wish I had my clutch bag here. It matches this outfit perfectly. I bought this necklace in Paris. I love this skirt. I can wear this outfit to a theater or to a birthday party. Anywhere. The skirt is not new. This is not a casual skirt. I think that the top matches it perfectly. When I was sewing this top, I couldn't even imagine that I would be able to create so many different outfits with it. This fact makes me absolutely happy. Next, I want to change the necklace. I'm not going to change the skirt and the shoes. What I want you to understand is that if the top is made of a high-quality fabric, the skirt and the shoes are classy, you can wear more serious accessories with the outfits. Have a look at this set. Earrings, necklace, ring. This outfit looks absolutely different from the one with the red skirt and shoes. This is not a casual outfit anymore. I can wear it to some special occasions. I remind you that I've already talked to you about silk t-shirts. I showed you how to make them. We all should have simple tops and t-shirts made of the high-quality fabrics in our wardrobes. Make them of different colors: white, black, gray, beige, pink, red, green, of any color you like. I recommend making t-shirts and tops of colors which can be easily combined with other colors and garments. For me, the black color was perfect. I didn't know what to wear this skirt with. When I look at these outfits, I think that it's pretty much perfect. I'm able to create a lot of different outfits with this top. Even the red skirt looks good with this top. I showed you how this outfit looks like with different accessories. Have a look at the next outfit. This is my favorite skirt. It's made of the French lace of a very high quality. I put it on together with the black shoes and the black top. I also put a different necklace on. What do you think of this outfit? I think that it's not casual, but it's not too smart either. I can wear it to work or for a walk. Have a look at the next outfit. The same black top, my favorite lace skirt. I changed the shoes and accessories. I am ready to go to some special event. I think that I can wear almost any set of accessories with these outfits. I have a matching bracelet. I think that it will also look very good here. I put this necklace on just to show you how accessories can change the outfit. I even forgot to count how many different outfits I showed you. This top is the best thing I made this summer. The best thing about it is that I can wear it both to work and for some special occasion. Oля bought this piece of fabric a very long time ago. She didn't let me sew something of it. This is what happened next. Oля went for a vacation, and while she was out of town, I accidentally came across this piece of fabric. It basically jumped into my hands. I decided that it was fate. By the time Oля came home, I had a new top. The top is perfect for me. I managed to create so many different outfits with it. Now I can wear the skirts, which I almost forgot of. I love it that this simple top can help me be different every day. As I've already said, the design is very simple. All the details are edged with chiffon. The seams in such tops should be soft. This is why I recommend edging such tops with chiffon. What I wanted to tell you today was that we all should sew such tops for ourselves. One top isn't enough for me. The design is very simple. It's not hard to make such amazing tops. You know how to do it. That's all for today. Let's be different and beautiful together. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.